Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here because today I'm going to be doing another decluttering in my closet. As you can see behind me, I have a bunch of sweaters, and I did have a bunch more. I have gotten rid of this many already. That's a lot of sweaters. And now I'm going to go through these and see how many more I can part with. I live in a place where it's really, really warm, and I just don't need this many sweaters. In fact, it's so warm where I live in the desert that I don't even get an opportunity to wear but a few of these during the winter. So there's no use in keeping all of these because I'd rather use these shelves for something else I have in mind when I clear out and organize my closet. Before we get started, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I have a pile of donation bags already here ready to go, and I've even started grabbing some things to declutter. I'm going to start going through these sweaters and taking them out one by one and trying them on. It's been such a long time since I've worn all of these. I'll try them on and pick my favorites. My ultimate goal is to have one shelf here with some sweaters that are easy to get off and on the shelf without having to wedge them all in here like I do, and to have the top shelf completely cleared off. I would love to put all of my handbags over here on this top shelf and have them nice and neat and organized. I believe the very best time to go through sweaters or winter clothing is in the off season. If I go through all of this in the summertime, then it's easier to part with these things. I'll just start collecting all of these donations on my bathroom vanity. This was my absolute favorite sweater. I really love this one. It's so nice and soft and thin and cozy. However, it's also worn out, probably because it was my favorite. So it's time for this one to go. Once I get done trying all of these on, if I've decided to keep too many, I'm going to go back through them again and narrow down and take out the ones that are my least favorites. I love this sweater, however, it is so long and so heavy. It's no wonder I don't pull it out to wear it. It goes way down past my knees. That's just way too big and too sloppy for me. This sweater is absolutely beautiful. I really, really like it. However, it is so long. It goes way down past my knees, and that's just too long for me. I really like this one. Of course, I wouldn't wear it with this shirt, but it's just the right length, and that makes me so happy. And it has these beautiful sleeves. And here we have another cardigan. It's really pretty and really soft and thin. However, I feel like it's just way too short. This is one of my regular go-to fall sweaters. However, I think I'm just getting really tired of this one. This is another super, super long sweater. I don't think I'll keep it. It's really heavy, but I'll try it on just to make sure. I've always really loved this sweater, mostly because of the color. However, once again, it's super long, and these extra long sweaters just make me look a little short and frumpy. When I'm going through these sweaters and trying them on, I ask myself the number one most important question. If I was in a dressing room right now trying these on, would I buy this particular sweater right now again in the dressing room? If the answer is no, then it's time for it to go. I really like this Liz Claiborne sweater. It's just the right length and it has super cute sleeves. So I'm going to set this aside and think about this one. This cardigan isn't bad. I like it. It's soft and it's nice. However, it's kind of plain, and I really don't find it to be that flattering. While I'm going through these sweaters, I'm also asking myself if they are in good repair. If they're worn out or too worn out to go over with the sweater shaver and fix them up, then I'm going to be donating these as well. This sweater is great. It's super thin and nice and soft, and it's perfect for a cool day in the desert. I definitely need to keep a spring sweater, and this cardigan will be perfect for spring. It's nice and light, and it's just great for a cool day. I really like this sweater, but once again, it's far too long and it's heavy and bulky. I think I really like this brown sweater. It fits really nice. The length is good. It's super soft and stretchy. I think this will be my new replacement for the fall sweater that I've loved for so long. I bought this sweater last year on a clearance in the spring, and it'll be perfect this season. I really love this beautiful soft sweater. However, it has spring pastel colors, and the problem is, by the time it would be spring where I live, it would be far too heavy to wear this. So this just isn't going to work. I never pull it out and wear it because it seems like it should be a spring, summery color, but yet it's super, super heavy. And when the weather gets nice here in the spring, it is far too heavy to wear this sweater. Just because the colors are not right, I think I'll let this one go. I think this sweater will be just fine. I normally don't buy or wear V-necks. However, this sweater isn't cut too low and it's brand new. I bought this a season or two ago, and if I find that I don't wear it this winter or coming up into the spring, I will definitely donate it then. I have the same exact sweater in a crew neck. I must really like cable knit pink sweaters. This is one of my favorite sweaters. However, I tried it on again just in case. You never know from one year to the next what your opinions are going to be. And I would definitely say I would buy this again if I was in the dressing room right now. I'm glad I tried this one on. I thought it was one of my favorites, but the neck fits a little bit funny and it's a little bit itchy and scratchy. So this one can go. I really thought this one was going to be a keeper. However, when I tried it on, it was reminding me why I don't take it out of the closet after all. I'm sure glad I tried it on. I sure love the nice neutral tones in this sweater, and it's super, super soft. I'll definitely be keeping this one. This one will be fine as well. This is a color I never really buy, but I bought this and I don't mind the color at all. I really like this sweater when I bought it. It's absolutely beautiful. However, the neck feels small and it's always really bothering me. So I never pull this sweater out and wear it because it's just so uncomfortable on the neck. This one sweater alone has really freed up a lot of excess space on the shelf. This sweater will be just fine as well. It's super soft and comfortable, and I know I'll pull it out and wear it. I did last winter. I got this sweater last winter and I really enjoy wearing it. It is a really nice style and it's so soft. In fact, I wore this out on my birthday when I went shopping with my friends. I always loved this sweater because of the super cute sleeves. However, this sweater has always run on the short side, so I never pull it out, and the neck is really big. So I think it's time for this sweater to go. Look at all of these sweaters. I cannot even believe how many things we've pulled out off the shelf and have ready to donate. I have one sweater left, and it is a sparkly cardigan. It fits well and I love it. I wear it every New Year's Eve. We have successfully cleared off the top shelf, and we'll get our sweaters arranged on this shelf and see how we do with putting the sweaters back in place on the shelf. I hope they all fit. If not, I may need to narrow down a little bit more. Now let's get busy and put our sweaters all back in place. Well, we did it. We actually cleared a whole entire shelf, and everything fits nicely on this shelf. If I find out this fall and winter that I'm not wearing these sweaters, if any of them have been left on the shelf and not worn, then I'll definitely get them donated right away. I cannot even believe how many sweaters I was able to pull out of my closet. I always have a hard time decluttering sweaters, but doing this on a hot summer day when the temperature's 103 made it so much easier to part with these sweaters, especially the heavy bulky ones that were scratchy and itchy. I'll get these bagged up and ready to take to the donation center right away. I don't want to second guess any of my choices, so I'll bag them up immediately, tape the bags, and then get them dropped off as soon as possible. Make sure you're very honest with yourself when you're trying things on. Go through everything and try it just to make sure. Some of these things I really thought that I was going to have a hard time parting with. However, once I tried them, it was an easy decision. I am so glad you were here. It really inspired me to get busy and get rid of these sweaters once and for all. I have held on to these far too long. Even if it was really cold where I live, I still had far too many sweaters. more than what I really needed. Now that they're gone, I can easily organize the shelf and move my handbags over there and put them in an orderly fashion. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to come back for many, many more decluttering and organizing videos. I'll see you next time.